Okay, got it centered pretty good this time. You can see where it goes in and out. Got my center pretty decent. Focus a little bit with the telescope. A little more right around there. I put some electrical tape in my telescope and where the eyepieces slip in so that I could what do you call it? I won't have too long, but we'll get what we can out of it for tonight. To hold it straight, I put some tape in there. It looks good though. I should be happy with this. Looks like it's about a 3/4 moon. Like watching a fucking movie, man. Unbelievable. Nobody sees it. See it out with my eyes now from the ground, looking up. It's unbelievable, man. I think it'll look better at night too. This is a daytime moon, by the way. So now I'm going to go to here, so I can do this in front of you. And then I think I'm going to go backwards this time. I'm going to turn a little bit. Now I'm going to bring it up, or down I should say, to right about here, so that we can allow it to come in. Make sure I got my direction right. Looks okay. And now we allow the moon's light to crop itself. I'm off a little bit, so I'm going to just turn it over here a little bit. Alright, gotta bring it back up now. Right about there. Let's watch for a minute. Yep, that looks good. See what I'm doing? I'm looking for the direction that the moon is running in. I'm off a tiny bit, but not that much. What I'm doing is I want to aim it towards my sweet spot in the camera, right? The camera's got a sweet spot, that center. And I want it to go into the center. I'm going to allow it to crop imagery as it goes. See? See how certain images will pop out at you like that? And then I let it keep going. Some birds flying by. Got some clouds coming in too, so see what we get out of it. This is much better though. Every day is better and better with this camera. I'll try to get out tonight to do some when it gets dark. If it's even still available for me, we'll see what they do with the clouds. See, I was off a little bit. Because watch. There we go. It's alright though. And now I'm going to let it crop the opposite direction. I'm going to let it go the opposite way and crop the opposite way. That's why I let it finish. That's why I go light to light. And then when it glares out on me, fine, I'll stop. A lot of evidence for you to if you just watch what's going on here as it happens, you'll be able to understand all this better. All the words I speak are senseless, useless, and unnecessary. Everything I tell you guys, and I tried explaining that to Denny the other day. Hopefully he understands what I mean by that. No verbal explanation is necessary for anything that I'm spewing out of my mouth for the past year. It's all visual. The understanding of it is all visual. You don't need to hear it, smell it, taste it. It helps, but unnecessary. A little bit of atmosphere going on up there, but nothing that's going to take away from the imagery anyway. So again, $35 camera mounted on a $10 telescope. No problem. Okay, I'm going to come back here so I can show you the turn that I'm going to do. Slight turn. Figure out the direction. Somewhere around right there, I think. Over a little bit. While that's coming through, I'm going to go plug in the battery backup because I know the battery's going to die on this thing. Good. Yeah, this is the best I've ever had the phone camera mount. This is the closest I've ever got at the center. And I'm sure there's still some bugs I can work out of it, but at least I know I can use it. There's your guys right there, Patrick. It's just that right now, that's one of the other images I'll give you. It went from that canine that you were looking at to what you're seeing now, where the glasses are up on the forehead. The glasses just went out of your view. I'll show you. Actually, oh, I never locked this thing either. Shit. You know what? I gotta start over. I never locked the fucking thing. Son of a bitch. Alright, hold on.